So today we are going to learn about the area of a triangle. Triangle. This is very familiar shape. So let us recap about the triangle. Yes, very good. So triangle is a polygon made up of three line segments. Three line segments. Means in easy way we can say that triangle is a closed shape made up of three line segments. Here you can see this. In this picture, all these shapes are triangles. And now, today we are going to find out the area of the triangle. Especially we are focusing on the area of the triangle. First of all, you can see here, we have taken three types of triangles here. How many types? Three types. So let us see how to find out the area of a triangle one by one. So in the first picture you can see there is one triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Here angle Q is 90 degree. You can see here, this is already marked here that angle Q is 90 degree. So this triangle PQR can be called as right angle triangle. Right angle triangles. Means a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree is defined as or termed as right angle triangle. So triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Now what we are going to do? We are going to find the area of this triangle PQR. So first of all we will take the general formula to find out the area of a triangle. And what is that? That is area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. Here in this right angle triangle, if we are taking this as base, here the base is here. The base, if you are taking the base as QR. So what should be here? QR. Again what we have to write? Height. So if you can take this as a height. So what is height? PQ. PQ. So area of this right angle triangle can be written as 1 by 2 into QR into PQ. What is QR? QR is here represented by a small b for base and PQ is represented as a small h for the height. So finally what we got the formula to find out the area of right angle triangle, that is 1 by 2 into b into h, base into height. Now come to the second type of triangle. If the triangle is not right angle triangle. Here we have taken second type of triangle as isosceles triangle. Which triangle? Isosceles triangle. So what is the characteristics or properties of isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. How many sides? Out of three, two sides are equal. So here ABC is an isosceles triangle. Why this is isosceles triangle? Because here two sides AB and AC. In the diagram you can see this is well mentioned. That side AB and AC, the value of AB is X and the value of AC is X also. So this side is equal to this side. Yes, AB is equal to AC. So this is of course an isosceles triangle. And let us see this, each side is equal to X. X unit, whatever the value of X may be. And third side, which is BC. Suppose that the side of this third side base is A unit. A unit. Here we have just drawn one perpendicular which is bisecting this. So this part will be the half and this part will be the half. So if this complete BC is A unit, so this will be A by 2 and BD will be A by 2. This BD will be A by 2 and CD will be A by 2. So this is just for construction and the values. Now what is our aim? We are going to find out the area of this isosceles triangle. So as usual, what is the formula to find out the area of triangle? that is 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. So let us see, 1 by 2 base is equal to a. This part is a by 2, this part is a by 2. Total a. So instead of base we can write here a. Now the question is, what will be the value of height this side? So we have to find out. Now let us see, if this is perpendicular. So again, what would happen? This will be a right angle triangle. And here we can use Pythagoras theorem. Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. And by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of this height or altitude. How? According to Pythagoras theorem, h square minus b square. Are you getting the point? H square. What is h here? AC. In right angle triangle ADC, x is representing hypotenuse. So x square minus a square by a by 2 whole square is equal to this one. And when you will find out, let us see. Here I am just calculating this. The value of AD is equal to h. AD is equal to h. And this can be according to Pythagoras theorem, because here this is altitude. So of course this triangle ADC is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write here x, this h, if this is h is equal to, or first of all, better you can write h square is equal to x square minus a by 2 whole square. What is this? H means perpendicular, x means hypotenuse, and a by 2 means base. Means hypotenuse square minus base square is equal to height square. Again you can write here h square is equal to x square minus a square by 4, because we are squaring this. Again we are interested in finding the value of height, altitude, h. So from here h is equal to under square root x square minus a square by 4. So this is the value of h. H means height. So just substitute, if you will substitute the value of h in the formula of area of the triangle, what you will get? 1 by 2 into base is equal to a into height. Height means this value, which you just right now obtained or find out. So a into under square root x square minus a square by 4. So dear children, in general in isosceles triangle, if you have to find out area of isosceles triangle, so the general formula is 1 by 2 under bracket a into under square root of x square minus a square by 4, where x is the value of equal sides. If x, this x variable is the value of equal sides, and a is the value of base, which is other than equal side. So in this way, if any isosceles triangle is given, by using this formula you can find out the area of that. Now let us move to the third type of triangle. Triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. In the diagram you can say, here what are you observing? Let us see. Side DE is equal to A unit, DF is equal to A unit, and again EF is equal to A unit. So what is the meaning? All the sides of this triangle DEF are equal. So if all the sides of a triangle are equal, the triangle is defined as the equilateral triangle. Yes. So first of all, we will take the general formula to find out the area of a triangle, and then we will try to generalize or find out a particular formula to find out the area of an equilateral triangle. So as usual, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Let us see, 1 by 2 base, this is A unit. Now again the question is, if we will find out the value of height here all the sides. So first of all we have to draw one perpendicular altitude from this vertex to the base, and we have to find out the value of this altitude, which DG. If we will find out, we will substitute here, and then again after calculating we will get the area of finding equilateral triangle. So let us try to find out what will be the area or value of this DG, means height or altitude. Let us see if this angle is right angle triangle. So here we can use Pythagoras theorem as in the previous case. So when we are using Pythagoras theorem, what we are getting? This DG is equal to, this perpendicular height is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Means A square, and what would happen? This will become A by 2. This will become A by 2. Okay. So this DG, here you can see DG. What will be the DG? Is equal to under the square root A square, means H square, minus base square. Base मतलब A by 2 का whole square मतलब A square by 4. And this is equal to under square root 4A square minus A square is equal to 3A square by 4. 3A square by 4. So finally you are getting A square. So from A square A will be outside. From 4 2 will be outside. So this height will be equal to root 3 by 2 A. Root 3 by 2 A. There is lesser space for writing. Root 3 by 2 A. So this is the value of height or altitude which here we have found out. So in general formula of finding the area of a triangle, we are just substituting these two values in order to get the particular formula to find out the area of equilateral triangle. Okay. So here once again let us see. 1 by 2 area of this equilateral triangle will become 1 by 2 base is equal to A, height is equal to root 3 by 2 into A. So finally what are you getting? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This is root 3 A into 2 A square. So here the final result means final formula or general formula to find out area of any equilateral triangle. Find out area of any equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 A square. What? Where A is what? Hey, A is the length of each equal side of equilateral triangle. Now the question is that if the triangle is not right angle triangle or isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, then what would we have to do? We have to find altitude, and in that there will be very difficulty. So now the question is, if we have, suppose if we have one general formula to find out the area of any type of triangle, that may be right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, Isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, that will be the better one. So let us try to find out or drive out one general formula for finding the area of a triangle which will be applicable to every one. So let us see that. What is that formula and how we can use that? Okay.